Hello friends, this is a trinket snake which was rescued day before yesterday, last 2 days back. It was rescued from Kashi Gaon on the way to Ghodbandar. This particular snake is a non-venomous snake. It's oviparous, it lays eggs. This is a trinket, we call it as a trinket. The reason we call this particular snake as a trinket because the pattern on its body, on the dorsal side of the body, you can see the pattern, this particular pattern. It looks very similar to the design present on the trinket, the ornament which is worn by the women's. The trinket ornament is worn here on the arms, okay, upper arm. The pattern on it, which is the design, is very similar to this pattern on the snake's body. So the name is given as a trinket. Okay. In Marathi, we call this particular snake as Taskar. Taskar is smuggler. It smuggles the chicks of the birds or the mice or rats. Okay, so that's why we call it in Marathi we call it as Taskar or smuggler. So it smuggles. It's a non-venomous snake and very commonly seen nearby the human settlements. So that's how you can see how to identify. You can see this pattern on the near the eye. You can see a band, this particular band, black color band, which is very much similar to the band that you can see on checkered killback. Okay, so that's how. And you can see the mouth, the face, you can see this jaws, upper jaw, lower jaw, the eyes, the tongue is flipping out every now and then to collect the scent particles so that it can sense the scent particles and analyze whether to move ahead or not. Look at the pattern on the dorsal side of the tail. This is a tail. Look at that pattern. And one interesting thing, this is the tail portion. You can see the differentiation of the Bailey scale and the caudal scales. These are the scales which are the caudal scales. The tail starts from here. There is a vent. There is a small opening from where the excreta comes out, the waste product. The reproductive organs are somewhere here nearby, okay, at this particular spot, and the tail portion starts from here, from the anus to the tip of the tail. If the tail is long, then it's a female. If the tail is short, then it's a male. That's how you can identify. For that you need to have a very good experience. You must have seen a lot of snakes so that you come to know whether it's a short tail or a long tail. So it's a trinket. Now I have rescued these snakes last two days back. One of my friend he rescued and he handed over to me, and today I happened to come to this park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, to release it. Okay, so I'll be releasing it into this national park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. So this is a non-venomous snake, trinket. Okay, you can easily identify now. It's an arboreal snake found on the trees normally. Likes to feed on the chicks of the birds or lizards and geckos on the trees. That's how the snake is. So I'll be releasing on this tree because it's a tree snake and this is a very isolated area. Nobody comes here.